It seems pretty happy. And the hummingbirds do like those too. Yeah. Well, they can chop it because next year it's probably going to be up into those wires catching on fire.
It'd be nicer if it'd be, well, it's too established to be transplanted.
Oh yeah, no, you couldn't. They hate transplanting.
Yeah.
When they're established, you kill it. It'd be like moving an arbutus tree.
Somebody didn't really think this through.
No, I mean it's too bad because it is,
Yeah.
man, it is beautiful.
Yeah.
And they grow fast, these things too. I don't know the species of it, but it's growing in Ganges in front of Beachside Cafe.
You see the old timers sometimes.
It's great, isn't it? Hey?
Where, you know,
Yeah.
like I have a neighbor who introduced me, and I'm from Toronto. It's like, she got a dog that never yet stopped yapping. And
Oh no.
that sort of stuff.
One of those, eh?
Clear cut her property, dump some arbutus trees on
Oh no.
all around. Not good. Right?
Not good at all.
Make your bucks for it.
Oh yeah, that's what they do. That's what they do. Anyway, I better roll. I'm gonna head out into the garden. Good seeing you. We'll see you here next time. It's because they got good coffee.
They do.
Great coffee. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
It's mellow.